Training Peaks Cycling Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're serious about cycling performance, most people get this wrong. They train without tracking progress or analyzing data. Training Peaks is a platform designed to take your cycling to the next level by combining training plans, performance metrics, and goal tracking in one place. The surprising truth is how much it can help you improve, whether you're a weekend rider or a competitive cyclist. You won't believe how actionable the insights are. Here's how it works. Training Peaks allows you to log rides, track metrics like power, heart rate, speed, and cadence, and compare them over time. For example, if you complete a 50-mile ride and analyze your power zones, you can see where you excelled and where you need improvement. One of the standout features is structured training plans. Most cyclists get this wrong. They follow random routines that don't address weaknesses. Training Peaks offers plans tailored to your goals, whether it's a century ride, a triathlon, or stage racing. Coaches can also assign workouts, monitor compliance, and adjust based on your performance. The platform also provides insights into fatigue, fitness, and form with easy-to-read charts. This helps you avoid overtraining or undertraining, a common mistake many riders make. However, there are considerations. Some features, like advanced analytics and coach integration, require a premium subscription. Most people assume free versions are sufficient for serious training. If you want full performance tracking, the premium plan is worth it. In conclusion, Training Peaks is a must-have for cyclists who want measurable results, structured guidance, and smarter training. By tracking progress and analyzing data, you can train more efficiently and reach your goals faster. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of fitness and performance tools.